Rain battered the attic window as Mark pressed a key on the ancient typewriter. With each word he typed, the shadows in the corners thickened, writhing closer. He wrote faster, heart-pounding, trying to finish his story before the darkness reached him. The clack of keys echoed, drowning out the whispering voices. When he paused, a cold hand brushed his neck. Mark spun, but the room was empty, except for the shadows, now shaped like grasping fingers. He screamed, typing his own name in desperation. The shadows surged, swallowing him whole. The typewriter waited, hungry for its next author.